Okay, let's look at the first problem. And I'm going to
Hold Dan. She has a day over here.
It says Bonnie pays a monthly fee of $80 at the Help Club and an additional $9 every time she attends a yoga class. Which expression, okay, excuse me, are these expressions? No. These are equations, okay? I didn't write this question, just say it. We know that these are equations. Which equation below shows her total cost if she attends Y yoga classes this month? Okay, so the total that she pays, I'm just going to go through my thought process. You may be on number 5 by now, I don't know. She pays $80 flat fee just to walk in the door. And then she has to pay for the yoga classes, and she pays an additional $9 times every yoga class that she takes. I would not join this health club. Okay?
They're ripping you off.
Yes, they are. So the answer to this one is A. Any questions? Make sense? All right. Let's look at number 2. The team needs to score at least 52 points. Now, you could stop right now. Tell me what symbol at least would be and answer this question without doing any math. At least is greater than or equal to. Now, can't be number 1, can't be number 2, can't be number 3, must be D, but let's look and see. Oh, I made a rhyme.
That rhymed.
That could be the work. That could be the work.
Now this would be the, yeah, show me the work. Okay, here we go.
No, at least would be the work.
Oh, okay. Just writing that? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, it says if X represents the number of 2-point baskets and Y represents the number of 3-point baskets, which inequality can be used to show how the team's scoring record can be broken? Well, to be broken, you've got to go over that record. So 2X, that's our 2-point baskets, plus our 3-point baskets. It's going to be greater than or equal to 52 points. I don't know how else to work that out.
It should be greater than, though, because it wants to break them.
Right, that's why it's greater than or equal to. Because at least means equal to. So apparently 51 points wouldn't do it. 52 points has to do it. Any questions on that one? Okay, not much work to these. So y'all ought to finish this test in about 15 minutes tomorrow. Okay. Progressive Cable TV charges their customers $100. Okay, so I'm going to say Progressive. I'm going to write 2 equations first.
Wait. What?
Progressive charges $100 for installation plus $30 monthly fee. Well, I didn't write down the 100, did I? $100 plus $30 per month. Per meaning, well, this time meaning multiply. Okay, that's what this says. Now, Vista Cable charges their customers, so I'm going to say V, $70 plus $45 per month. So 45 times the number of months. This is kind of an interesting question because it says, which equation could be solved to determine the number of months, that should be an S there, M, where the 2 companies charge the same amount? Okay? How would I figure that out? I mean, you've got choices down there, but if you didn't have the choices, how would you find where those 2 are equal?
Oh, you
got 100 plus 30 and
Yeah.
equals 70 plus 45 in.
Yeah.
Because that's what it's asking. Which equation could be solved to determine the number of months where the 2 companies charge the same amount, or that month?
All you'd have to do to solve that is like move around and solve. Like all
Mm-hmm.
You have to move the variables.
Right.
Solve the variable, and that would be right.
Yes. Now, I didn't ask you to solve it. I just asked you to set it up, so that makes things even easier.
Yeah.
So it would be where they're equal. So you're just going to set them equal to each other. And that is, again, A. Because progressive equals Vista. Okay. Any questions there? Okay, here, number 4 is the classic plumber problem. This problem shows up, this is like the Algebra 1 problem. Here's the plumber. He charges $25 per service call. So that's just to get out of his truck. And then $40 per hour. Which equation can be used to determine the cost of the job that takes H hours to complete? Okay? So cost, his total cost, is going to be his charge to get out of the truck plus $40 times how many hours he stays. So which one is that? That's A. Doesn't matter which order these are in.
There's a lot of A's on this.
There are a lot of A's. I noticed that when I went and did the key. All right, flip over.
You always have like a favorite name.
I do. Today it's A. Tomorrow, no telling. Okay, this is like the plumber problem, but it's just about a flower shop. The flower delivery man receives $40 a day for transportation cost and $10 for each flower delivery he makes. How many dollars will he have after making X flower deliveries? Yawn, yawn. Same problem, different wording. His dollars, if D is dollars, is going to equal the $40 he makes just for starting the delivery truck, plus $10 every time he gets out of the car and goes to the door with some flowers. Okay, so what does X represent here? How many deliveries he makes. Okay, so we're looking for something like this, and it looks like that is A again.
I guess on
But you never know what letter is going to be my favorite.
About D.
Oh. Okay, any questions on that one? Yeah. All right, number 6. This one's a little different, but a lot the same. Says a company pays its employees a base salary of $750 per week, plus 15% commission for all of their sales. If T is the total weekly pay and S is the total sales, which equation can an employee use to determine his or her total weekly pay? Okay, T is for total weekly. It's already said they're going to give me $750 a week just for showing up at work. I want that job. Yeah. Okay, then if I decide to sell something, they're going to pay me 15% commission on everything I sell. So how do we write 15% as money? Okay. Times 0.15 times the amount that I sell.
Wait, that's
So I could just show up and probably make
You wouldn't show up very long. Probably a week or two and they figure out you weren't selling. But it'd be a great week or two.
Don't let them catch you.
Don't let them catch you, you know. Have a call list where you called on customers. Yeah. So, let's find the one. Is this one A2? OMG, there it is.
I think it's all A till 7.
No, it's all 8 till 8.
Yeah.
Next one is 2.
Is it number 7 as well?
And then like
Oh my, we have to solve an equation finally.
till 11 is 8.
All right, let's look at 7. If y equals 2x plus 10 and y equals 60, what is the value of x? So what in the world do we do?
Two-step equation.
It's Two-step equation. 60, we're just going to substitute that for y, equals 2x plus 10. All right. Work on the side that has the variable. Addition and subtraction first. Minus 10. Minus 10. Leaves us 50 here. 2x there. Now what do? Divide by 2. 25 equals x. Again, it's A.
Goodness gracious. My word.
Next one's not gonna be A. I bet you.
And look at this. What I did is I chose some problems out of a random test bank when I told them what kind of problems I wanted. I didn't even pick these as A. It did. Maybe it likes A. All right. Okay, how about this? What is the solution to this one? Now, what's different about this equation?
Oh,
It's
Variables on both sides. And we have variables on both sides. What do? What's our trick? Big rock, little rock. Okay. This one's already all cleaned up.